Hair issues in this weather are a constant. From hair fall to rough texture, managing the hair can be quite tricky. Especially with all the hairstyling products and heat we use nowadays, a good hair care regime is a must. Something as simple as using the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair can bring about a great change. As you all know, I recently got introduced to the nude skincare and hair care range, and I'm absolutely loving their carrot seed shampoo and conditioner. To have shiny and healthy hair like I do, you should use the nude carrot seed shampoo and conditioner because they contain vitamin A, creatine oils, which are quite essential for shiny and healthy hair. Now I also do not have to worry about any kind of hair damage caused due to pollution and UV rays. So what are you waiting for? Do try the magical combo of the nude carrot seed shampoo and conditioner to make your hair more manageable and stimulate growth. Remember, happy hair is happy you.